In today's video, I'm going to be going over how I helped a client generate an extra $40,000 in December from flows alone. So if you're watching this video and you are a brand owner or you're an agency owner looking to give better fulfillment to your clients, I hope you take some value from it. But now let's jump into my Google Doc and I'm going to walk through what we've done and how you can do the same. Hey guys, welcome to the video. So first thing we are going to look at here, just because I know everyone wants to see proof and everything along those lines. So here is the Klaviyo screenshot from last month for this client. So you can see here the flows done over $40,000, which was 31% of the revenue for this brand, which is really, really good. The second thing I want to jump into quickly, just obviously you can see this goes from December 1st to January 6th. This is the main flow we changed up and it's actually finishing up tomorrow. So that's why I wanted to do the video now. This was basically the main thing we changed up with our flows that's seen us have such a significant difference. So we changed up some of the core flows for this client for December to give them a bit more of a Christmas theme, I suppose, a bit of a deeper discount, and just made sure we were keeping customers up to date with delivery times, as we know it's super, super important around Christmas time. If anyone is looking to buy presents for themselves or their loved ones, whatever, they want to know what date everything's going to arrive by. What we also changed was how quickly the flows were going through. So typically we would give kind of 3 to 5 days between each email and a flow to kind of nurture that customer through the customer journey. But if you can see here, the sending time was sped up a lot. So you can see kind of every second day we had emails going through here that were just keeping the customers updated and bringing them through that customer journey quicker than we would in our typical flows. And yeah, the results are really, really good. Like you can see 427 people went into this flow. The open rate was crazy. We had over 20 to 25k in total, I believe, on this flow, but this is also including some results up until January. So obviously not all in December. Like what was done for this flow. But yeah, wanted to drop this video as I think it could be a really good bookmark for any brand owners or any agency owners looking to give better fulfillment to their clients in the upcoming year. Obviously, different brands will have, different times it could make sense to change up their flows, but I really, really think going into December, this is something all brands and agencies should be looking to do for their clients, where it makes sense to, really give this update on kind of delivery times, give them a bit more of a Christmas theme, up that sending frequency. People have been getting a lot of emails from Black Friday, so they're kind of used to it. This is when people will usually take the foot off the pedal a bit, but we've seen some really, really good results by kind of speeding up the customer journeys here. So that's really the main thing to go through in this video. I don't want to overcomplicate it or have the video take longer than it needs. But yeah, if this is something you'd like to do for yourself, if you are a brand owner, this is something we could help you with. If you do want to look into booking a call with our team, if you want someone to look after all of your flows, all your campaigns, and everything basically that's entailed in email marketing, you can book a call with ourselves. We are a fully rev share agency, so very, very risk off for you guys if it is something you're interested in. It's pay on performance. So, that's something we can have a conversation about if you are interested in having someone look after your team. But hope this video was valuable. I am nice and short, quick, snappy. Don't want to keep anyone around for too long and talk about stuff that isn't relevant. So yeah, hope you took value from this. If you want to learn more about what we do for our clients, what we could potentially do for you, if you are a brand owner, please, I encourage you to book in a call below. Or if you're an agency owner and you're looking to just give better fulfillment to your clients, I hope this is something you can utilize in the year going forward. Thanks for watching. Bye now.